Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explore you how we can create directory backlinks. It's totally free of cost and we can create it very easily. And here is the backlinks website. It's the name of Blue Sparkle directory. We can create our directory submission backlinks from there. So let's jump in the video. First of all, we should click on the submit button. Here is the submit button. You can see here is the option that we should give a title for the backlinks, and I made a title for this website. This is my title, and we'll put this title on here, and my URL is this one, and here is the description for my backlinks. Okay, so here it is, and the name of my business is VizBats, and this is my email, and you can categorize these links in the business section, or it's in the shopping section because it's furniture store, and we can categorize it in the shopping section also. It's not a problem. Okay, then we can create in the continue button. Okay, wait a moment, it's loading. Okay, the link submitted and awaiting for web approval, but I think the links has been approved. We should search the search button. Here is the search button, and here we can search with our business name. Okay, here is our links. It's approved instantly, so it's very helpful for our website. And here, if we hover the mouse on here, we can see that the links has been created for our website, and you can see that this is the links anchor text, and this is our website links. You can see, so it's created successfully, and now we can upload a screenshot so that we can track that we created a backlinks. And this is the live links, or these links, and it's directory submission. Do follow links. This is my website, and okay, so this is the anchor text for these links. Okay, it's not competitors backlinks. Okay, so the website name is this one. Okay, and done. So this was the video. I think this can be helpful for you, for your business. And if you create the backlinks, and if you create the quality backlinks, you can beat your competitors, and you can rank your website easily on the Google and any other search engine. So thank you so much. If you think that this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time in the video.